Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Keep in mind that all times are Eastern time. And just a note about events that have the word watch next to them. That event might be a report that we're testing. It might be new. It might be a report that isn't performing well. It might be live. It might be simulated. Watch means a variety of things depending on the behavior of an event and whether it's new or an existing trade. Okay, starting on Monday evening, there are no trade rooms, but we have an official event at 8:30 p.m., the Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing. There is a daily trade report for that event. Tuesday, we'll start by watching McDonald's earnings at 7 a.m., and we'll have our first trade room of the week at 7:45 for German preliminary CPI and Canada's GDP. Back in the room at 9:30 for CB Consumer Confidence, and then at 3:45 for Snap and AMD's earnings, the API crude oil report, and New Zealand jobs. 8:45 p.m. there's an official Chinese report, the Caixin manufacturing. We do have a daily trade report, but no trade room for that event. Wednesday morning, we'll start in the trade room at 7:45 for the family money trade, the ADP report. Back in the room at 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday for ISM manufacturing and crude oil inventories, and then back again at 1:30 p.m. for the FOMC statement and 3:30 p.m. for Meta Facebook's earnings. Thursday morning at 3:30, we're watching the Swiss CPI report, and our first trade room is at 6:45 for the Bank of England official bank rate, and we'll come back at 7:45 for the ECB main refi rate, and then Thursday's unemployment claims matched up with preliminary non-farm productivity. Back in the room at 10 a.m. for natural gas storage, and then 3:30 p.m. for Google's earnings, Amazon earnings, and Apple's earnings. Friday morning, we'll start at 8 a.m. for the U.S. and Canadian jobs reports, back at 9:15 for the NQ Open, and finishing out the week with the ISM services report. So a lot of events, some very big ones, quite a few bank rate statements, jobs reports, a couple of family money trades. So make your way into the trade room, learn, and become a successful trader trading news events. This is Leigh Goldstein, hoping you have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you in the trade room.